Welcome back, students. This is module 4 lesson 1 part 2. In the first part we discuss about the recent trends in banking system. Here in this part we are going to discuss progress in operational technology. Progress in operational technology. I repeat, this is module 4 lesson 1 part 2. Name of the lesson is banking. The progress in operational technology. Here we will be discussing 15 points and all these are important. Now the new changes are there that we are going to discuss. The information technology IT changed the structure of Indian banking. The important new technologies which are being used by the banks are as follows. These are the technologies banks are using nowadays. We all are aware about that. Number 1, virtual banking. The most important type of virtual banking services are automated teller machine ATM, electronic fund transfer EFT, phone banking, credit card, debit card, smart card, internet banking and so on. Second, ATMs. ATMs are self-serviced vendor machine that help the banks to provide round-the-clock banking services to their customers at convenient places without visiting the bank premises. By June 2017, there were 2,22,926 ATMs in operation. Third, debit card. It is a prepaid card with some stored value. It allows anywhere, anytime access to customers' saving or current account. The personal identification number PIN will be issued to the customer for using debit card. Debit card does not permit a customer to spend over and above his cash balances in the bank. Next, credit card. It enables the customers to purchase within the prescribed limit from authorized outlet without making immediate cash payment. Next, point of sale POS. POS terminal is a machine that gives facilities of transactions through swipe of cards in an online environment. Next, doorstep banking. This means banking services and products are made available to customers at his place of residence. The customers did not have to visit the banks. Next, internet banking. It is also called online banking, where the traditional banking services are provided through internet. Internet banking is a product of e-commerce in the field of banking and financial services. Next, mobile banking. It allows account holders through their mobile phones to access banking services irrespective of their location. It provided many services such as account balance, transactions, account statements, etc. Next, telebanking. Banking services or products are rendered through telephone to its customers. It is 24 hours banking facility to customers. Next, phone banking. Under this service, a customer can talk to a phone banking officer for transacting a banking business. Next, prepaid payment instrument PPI. It facilitates purchase of goods and services including fund transfer against value stored on such instruments. Next, electronic fund transfer EFT. It is an easy and speedy mechanism to facilitate the transfer of funds from one place to another place. Next, electronic clearing services ECS. It is a non-paper based movement of funds. It consists of electronic credit clearing and electronic debit clearing. Next, real-time gross settlement. It is also called as RTGS. RBI introduced RTGS system to enhance the efficiency of check clearing system. The settlement is done in near real time, maximum 2 to 4 hours. Next, cashless and digital economy. Technological changes are being used to promote cashless and digital banking system to reduce the use of cash. This is a very important question. Explain the progress of in operational technology. Most of the services we all are using very frequently. Some of the services are new, must be new to you. You have to understand. So all the 15 points you have to cover under this progress in operational technology. Thank you very much.